If you're thinking about getting Starlink, you might be wondering whether to choose the standard dish or the newer Starlink Mini. Both connect to the same satellite network. Both deliver high-speed internet. But they're built for very different lifestyles. So in this video, we're going to compare Starlink Standard and Starlink Mini to help you decide which one is better for your needs. Let's start with size and portability. Starlink Standard is designed for home use. It's larger, heavier, and meant to be installed in a fixed location like your rooftop or yard. Once installed, it stays there. Starlink Mini, on the other hand, is built for mobility. It's smaller, lighter, and compact enough to carry in a backpack. This makes it perfect for travelers, van life setups, or emergency use. So if portability matters, Mini has the clear advantage. Now let's talk about speed and performance. Starlink Standard typically delivers speeds between 50 and 250 megabits per second, depending on location and network congestion. Latency usually ranges from 30 to 50 milliseconds, which is good enough for video calls, streaming, and even online gaming. The Starlink Mini is no slouch either. It offers speeds of around 50 to 100 megabits per second with similar latency. While it may not reach the same peak performance as the standard dish, it still handles browsing, streaming, and conferencing smoothly. So in simple terms, the standard offers higher performance, but the Mini performs surprisingly well for its size. Next, power usage and installation. This is where the Mini really shines. It consumes only about 20 to 30 watts of power. The standard dish typically uses between 50 and 75 watts. Setup is also easier with the Mini. It's truly plug and play and designed for temporary setups, perfect for camping, road trips, or emergency connectivity. The standard, on the other hand, is meant for fixed installation. It usually requires roof mounting and a stable home power source. Now let's talk about availability and cost. The Starlink Mini Kit is currently priced around $199 to $299 as of early 2026, marking a significant drop from its original $599 launch price. It's designed for portability and is often paired with roam service plans starting at around $50 per month for 50 to 100 gigabytes of data. In some cases, it may even be included as a free rental with the $120 per month Residential Max plan. Starlink Standard, on the other hand, typically requires a one-time hardware cost of around $349. The residential service plan usually costs about $120 per month for unlimited high-speed, low-latency internet. In some lower demand areas, pricing may drop to around $90 per month, and in certain regions, light plans or special offers may also be available. So pricing has changed quite a bit. The Mini is now more affordable up front, but it's still built around mobility-focused plans. The Standard remains the best value for full-time home internet. So, which one should you choose? Go for Starlink Standard if you want the fastest speeds, a permanent home setup, and unlimited high-speed connectivity. Choose Starlink Mini if you need a lightweight, low-power, portable solution for travel, off-grid use, or backup internet. Both use the same satellite network. So the real difference comes down to how and where you plan to use it. Now I'd love to hear from you. Would you choose Standard or Mini? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. See you in the next video.